Seems like forever since we've been together. Oh God, I miss you bad.
Main living area of our home. It is a place where we can relax, spend time with friends, enjoy time with family. So I tidy this room every single day, and once a week I take everything off the furniture, give it a good dust, and put everything back. And about every 2 to 3 months I really do a really good deep clean in this room.
I'm finally coming home. Till then I'm dreaming of your heart, your eyes, our love. Darling, I can't wait till I see your face. Oh God, I miss you bad. The only thing
Today is just one of my weekly tidies where I'm just taking everything off of the furniture, dusting everything, putting everything back. I do not have a ton of decor in this room because every time I bring something into this room, I think, do I like this piece enough to take it off, to dust it every single week, and that helps me to maintain and keep clutter out of this room.
I know, but I'm finally coming home. Till then I'm dreaming of your heart, your eyes, our love. Your heart, your eyes, our love. It's been so long, I know, but I'm finally coming home. Till then I'm dreaming of your heart, your eyes, our love. Your heart, your eyes, our love. You tell me you're scared. You tell me you're weak, but I know you're stronger than what you think. And I know it's hard. Yeah, I know it's rough, but we'll make it through, and I'll back you up. Wherever you're going, I'm going too. I'll follow you through the black and the blue. Whatever the mountain, we'll climb to the next. Honey, I'm with you through life and to death. You tell you're afraid. I wish you could see that. I think you're brave. And if it all falls, if it all breaks, I'll still be here. We'll fix these mistakes. Wherever you're going, I'm going to. I'll follow you through the black and the blue. Whatever the mountain, we'll climb to the next. Honey, I'm with you through life and to death. Wherever you're going, I'm going to. I'll follow you through the black and the blue. Whatever the mountain, we'll climb to the next. Honey, I'm with you through life and to death. Honey, I'm with you through life and to death. I met an old man. I said, tell me your story. He took out an old pen and wrote something for me. Then he kept walking on down the road, and I watched him disappear like smoke. And I thought I'd just seen a ghost. Then I looked down at what he wrote. It said, son, when you grow up you'll be fine. I know you've got questions on your mind. Life is gonna happen one way or the other, whether you like it or not. Stop looking for the answers that you'll find. What you've got. I met a young man, searching for glory. I took out an old pen, wrote in my story. Then I kept walking on down the road. When your time is up, it's time to go. I pray he reads what's on the note and takes to heart what I wrote. I said, son, when you grow up you'll be fine. I know you've got questions on your mind. Life is gonna happen one way or the other, whether you like it or not. Stop
So tonight is salad night, so I am getting ready to do some vegetable prep. I am going to chop the ingredients for the salad, and then I'm going to dice up some extra mushrooms, onions, and peppers for some egg bites that I'm going to make later this evening. When I was cleaning the living room, I had this book laying out, and it's called The Let Them Theory, and I was wondering if anyone has read this book. I just got it this weekend, and I'm really excited about reading it. So if you have read this book, let me know in the comments. Let me know what you thought about it. I'm going to start reading it probably this evening, so I will keep you guys updated on what I think about the book. I did want to take just a moment, if you happen to be new, to welcome you to my channel. I make a variety of homemaking content here on my channel, and I would love for you to become part of my growing YouTube family. And I just want to remind you that this is a Tiny Tidy Tuesday. Sunday Dawn puts this collaboration together each and every Tuesday. I will link her channel along with today's Tiny Tidy Team motivation playlist in my description box below. So now let's work on chopping up these vegetables together.
Close your eyes, get some rest. I'm by your side. On my chest, I know you've had a really bad day, but I'm right here, it's gonna be okay. The world could fall down, it's gonna be okay. The sun could go out, we're gonna be okay. If all the blue skies fade to gray, we're gonna be okay. Calm your soul, hold my hand, don't let go. Understand, I know it hurts, it wasn't fair. It's over now, so don't despair. The world could fall down, it's gonna be okay. The sun could go out, we're gonna be okay. If all the blue skies fade to gray, we're gonna be okay. Fall down, it's gonna be okay. The sun could go out, we're gonna be okay. If all the blue skies fade to gray, we're gonna be okay.
This is the protein for our salads. I do not like the yolk of the egg, so I tried to take mine out. This is our salad. Over here, I have just some lettuce that I like to keep on hand for sandwiches and that kind of thing throughout the week. And then this is for meal prep later. I just wanted to take a moment to thank you guys all so much for watching today. I hope this video motivated or inspired you in some way. Let me know down in the comments if you tidied anything along with me, or if you read this book. I took the cover off because I didn't like the texture of it, so I would read the back of it to you, but I think this is going to be so helpful. Do not forget to check out Sunday Dawn's channel in my description box below. Her channel name is The Helpful Home. And also see what the rest of the Tiny Tidy team is up to today in my Tiny Tidy playlist down in the description box as well. Also, if you are interested in the egg bites that I was meal prepping for, I will have a recipe video soon for that. And just remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. I'll see you guys in the next one. Love you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.